This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable auto download on the Signal app using an iPhone. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone open now and I am on the Signal app. To enable or disable auto download on Signal, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left hand corner up to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to tap on Settings. Then I'm going to scroll down a little ways, down to where you see it says Data Usage. Tap on Data Usage. And right up top here, Auto Download. It has 4 different categories here: photos, videos, audio, or documents. You can tap on each one of them and you can change the setting on each one of them. For photos, I'm going to tap on Photos. Do I want it to automatically download photos? Never. While on Wi-Fi or on Wi-Fi and cellular, I can choose any one of them. And you can go down the other 3 options. Videos, I'm going to tap on Videos. Gives you the same option. You can turn it off completely by tapping on Never. You could have it on Wi-Fi only, or you can have it on Wi-Fi and cellular. But that is how to enable or disable auto downloads on the Signal app using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.